milling logs into boards, slabwood is just part of the game. After getting 3 cubes of oak prepped for my triangular forms, I picked up 4 of these slabwood offcuts as a free firewood bonus. Let's see if we can actually turn something out of them, or if they're just fit for the scrap pile. Each piece was over 1 meter long, so the plan is to yield 3 workable blanks that might actually amount to something. Time to get cracking. First step, rough out 3 square blanks, with one being slightly smaller than the rest. The sawn side is fairly flat, so I'll mark the center and mount the blank face first to the chuck. The thickness of the clean wood is no more than 5 centimeters at its thickest point, and just over 1 centimeter at the thinnest. The goal is to turn through the bark and get as much clear timber as possible. For the first piece, we'll go with a thin walled square plate, aiming for a wall thickness around 3 to 5 mil. First order of business is turning a tenon. Since the blank is light and only about 30 centimeters across, we can safely ramp up the speed to get a smooth cut. Right now I'm running at around 1,200 revolutions per minute. After taking a final clean pass with a fresh edge, I'll sand the surface. I'll take it up to 120 grit. That'll be plenty for a piece like this. once the outside is wrapped up, it's time to hollow out the inside. The blank is even lighter now, so I can crank the speed up to 1,500 revolutions per minute. The thinnest part is around the rim. It's no more than 3 mil thick right there. I'll take a light, gentle pass with a scraper so I don't catch an edge or blow out those corners. I'm sticking with 120 grit for sanding here as well. The grain pattern coming through is gorgeous, even though calling this clear timber is a bit of a stretch. You've got a whole mix of sapwood, heartwood, and bark features going on. There are a few ragged bark fibers sticking out on the end grain, but a quick touch of hand sanding cleans up those rough spots and tear out nicely. I'll finish it off with a coat of boiled linseed oil and then carefully reverse mount it to part off the tenon. What could have easily ended up in the firewood pile turned out to be a really handsome square plate, something you could sell or just keep for yourself. Around here, you can often pick up this kind of slabwood for free at the sawmill. Turns out you can actually turn it into something worthwhile.